Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make creamy shea butter for dry skin. Shea butter will help to hydrate, moisturize and soften your skin. It's also helpful when treating stretch mark, dry skin. You can also use it for your hair mask. So if you want to find out how I make this, stay tuned. This whipped and creamy shea butter cream. I'll be adding shea butter into the bowl. I'll be using double boiling method to melt the shea butter and coconut oil. Add the coconut oil. Put in them. You can add any essential oil of your choice. I'll be adding a tablespoon of castor seed oil. You can check out my video on how to make castor seed oil at home. Tablespoon of wheat germ oil. This oil has anti-aging properties. It will help to moisturize your skin. I'll be adding about 3 or 8 drops of argan oil. Help to hydrate and soften your hair and skin. Adding some few drops of lavender oil. I will give this a sweet smell. Feel free to use any oil of your choice so that everything will mix together. Mixture to cool down or keep them in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, bring out from the fridge. Hand mixer. I'll be whipping the mixture until I achieve my desired consistency. Finally, when I'm done, I'm going to transfer the shea butter mixture into a clean jar or bottle and store them for future use. Easy it is to make this whipped shea butter cream. You can use this to treat dry skin, stretch mark, or even use it for your hair. I hope you try this and thank you all for watching.